Hi everyone, my name is Margarita and I enrolled in data science course because I wanted to transition into a more analytical field and gain hands-on experience with real-world projects. I've always had an interest in data, and this program seemed like a great opportunity to build a strong foundation. This course helped me a lot. I improved my skills in data analysis, machine learning, and visualization. I also worked on different projects like global temperature anomaly analysis and heart failure prediction, which really boosted my confidence. Manisha, you were incredibly supportive as mentor. You always answered our questions clearly, gave useful feedback, and kept us motivated throughout the course. I really appreciate your guidance and encouragements. Overall, this program was a great experience. I gained not only technical skills, but also more confidence in myself as a beginner data scientist. I definitely love to stay in touch. Thank you so much.